Hello my lovelies, today I'm about to reveal a secret. How you can achieve gorgeous silky wavy hair just like Yami Gautam without spending fortune on salon treatments. Yep, you heard that right. Forget those expensive hair treatments that damage your locks. With just few carefully selected products, you can get smooth, shiny and flawless hair from the comfort of your home. So do you want to know how? Let's get into the video for that. With a nourishing shampoo, so we'll go with Kerastase Premier Shampoo for damaged hair. This luxurious shampoo is designed to cleanse while repairing damaged hair. It strengthens and protects, ensuring your hair is ready to embrace the rest of your routine. Perfect for those looking for silky, smooth hair without any breakage. Once your hair is clean, it's time for deep repair, and I have just the thing for you: K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. This revolutionary mask is the game changer, girls. It works at a molecular level to restore your hair's strength, elasticity and softness. Just apply it to damp hair and let it work its magic. So it's time to say goodbye to breakage and hello to smoother, stronger strands. For those of us fighting frizz, the next product is a must-have. Kerastase Discipline Mask is your ticket to taming unruly frizzy hair. This mask nourishes and smoothens the hair, giving you that sleek, polished look we all dream of. It's like a spa day for your hair. Next up, we need to detox our hair, and why Detox shampoo is perfect for the job. It removes product buildup and impurities, leaving your hair feeling fresh and light. It's like giving your scalp a refreshing reset. If you need a quick fix between washes, Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Biotin Dry Shampoo is your best friend. It's not just a dry shampoo, it cleanses your scalp, soothes and adds volume to it. It's perfect for when you're in a rush and want to keep your hair looking fresh and bouncy. To get that Yami Gautam shine, we need a touch of luxury. Moroccan treatment oil is the secret to smooth, shiny hair with minimal effort. This oil adds that stunning gloss while keeping frizz at bay. Just a few drops and your hair will look like it belongs on the red carpet. For an extra boost of shine and to lock in smoothness, the Schwarzkopf Professional OSiS plus Glow Anti-Frizz Shine Serum is a must-have. This serum tames frizz, enhances gloss and gives you that perfectly smooth finish. It's your final step to fabulous runaway ready hair. Last but certainly not the least, Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler and Dryer is a game-changing tool. It's a revolutionary all-in-one tool designed to cater to all your hairstyling needs. It dries, curls, shapes, smooths and eliminates flyaways without the damage caused by extreme heat. This device uses a unique airflow technology that gently attracts and wraps the hair around the barrel or brush surface, ensuring precise styling with minimal effort. So look at that, gorgeous, silky and wavy hair just like Yami Gautam. And the best part, you didn't have to spend a fortune on expensive salon treatments. With these products, you've got everything you need to create a beautiful hair right at home. Say goodbye to expensive hair treatments and hello to fabulous salon quality hair in comfort of your home. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio, and on YouTube, check the description box if you loved these products and videos. So do not forget to like and subscribe to Time Shopping Guide, your guide to smarter shopping.